Okay, good morning, everyone. Our lesson today is modeling with differential equation, but today we will discuss example 3, Newton law of cooling for a cup of coffee. A cup of fast food coffee is 180 Fahrenheit when freshly poured. After 2 minutes in a room at 70 Fahrenheit. This is the temperature of the room. The temperature of the room. Okay, the coffee has cooled to 165 Fahrenheit. Start in um, in the beginning 180, sorry, Fahrenheit. After I think 2 minutes, be careful about this, the given information becomes 165 Fahrenheit. Here, as you see, at t equals 0. But here, t equals 2 minutes. Okay, good. The question here, find the temperature at any time. Find the general solution. The general solution, good. And find the time at which the coffee has cooled at 120 Fahrenheit. Two questions. Find the general solution and go. Okay, good. This is the equation of the laws or the Newton law of cooling a cup of coffee. For a cup of coffee or coffee, as you see, y prime equals k times y of t minus ta. Ta, what does mean that? Ta, temperature of surrounding, temperature of the room. Yeah, where put the cup of coffee inside the room. This is the temperature of the room. Okay, good. Here A, I explained before, A initial value, initial initial value, as you see. Okay, in the beginning, what the initial value in the beginning here? I think 180 maybe I don't know. But here this is temperature of the room. This is temperature in this example, temperature of the room. Okay, everything is K, rate of decay or growth. I think here from 180 to 165 degrees. That's mean K, you should be negative, not positive, because degrees here. Okay, good. K, rate of decay. Rate of decay. Okay. Everything, T time. Everything is ready now. How to find this? I think we can write here T at beginning, T at 0. This is, we have y at 0 equals A times e to power k times T0 equals 180 Fahrenheit. Now we can find this, it's easy. This is A times e to power 0, 1 equals 180. E to power 0 equals 1. A times 1, A. This is, I forget it here, don't forget it, sorry for this small error. Don't forget it here to plus, here the general solution plus 70. 70, this is the temperature of the room. Okay, equals, this is plus 70 equals 100. This is A, sorry, here A plus 70. This is A plus 70 equals 180. Then move to other side. A equals 180 minus 70. This is equals 110. This is the value of A. This is the value of A. Now, after 2 minutes, T equals 2. This is in the given information. Read the question again. After 2 minutes, in a room at 70 Fahrenheit, the coffee has cooled to 165. Good. We can write here after 2 minutes y at 2 equals a. Now a is noun, 110. 110 e to power k times t. T2, 2k equals plus, don't forget it, plus, sorry, plus 70, plus 70 equals 165. Everything is ready now. We can, this is move to other side. 110 e to power 2k equals 165 minus 70. I think this is equals 125, right? No? 95? Yes, 95. Yes, 95. This is equals 95. 110 e to power 2k divided both sides by, maybe you can use calculator to find this, no problem. Shift solve, but I will solve step by step algebraically. 110. This is, I think, as you see here, e to power 2k equals 95 over 110. Then we can ln both sides. E to power 2k equals ln 95 over 110. This is, I think, 2k equals ln 95 over 110 divided both sides by 2 to get to the answer. K equals, you can use calculator to find this. This is ln, also fraction, 95 over 110. Close the bracket. Okay, over 2. The answer is negative, yes, negative 0.073. Yes. Okay. Now we can write the general solution. General solution y at any time equals a 110 e to power negative 0.073 t plus 70. This is the general solution to find the temperature of the cup of coffee in room that has 70 Fahrenheit degree as Fahrenheit temperature. Okay, good. The question here, find temperature at any time in a general solution and find the time which the coffee has cooled 120. Is good. Just substitute it here. Yes. We can write 120 equals 110 e to power negative 0.073 t plus 70. Yes, maybe you can use calculator to find this. Just move 100. We can write here 110 e to power negative 0.073 t equals 120 minus 70. Okay, this is equals 50. Okay, divided both sides by 110. 110. We can get it here, e to power negative 0.073 times t equals 5 over 10, because we can cancellation 0 from here with 0 from down. Okay, we can ln both sides e to power negative 0.073 t equals ln 5 over 11. We can get it here, negative 0.073 t equals ln 5 over 11, divided both sides now by negative 0.73. sorry, here negative 0 point, yes, equals divided by negative 0.07 to get the answer. T equals, I think you can use calculator, this is ln 5 over 11, close the bracket, over, I think here negative 0.073, the answer is 10.8. 10.8, approximately 11 minutes to the temperature of a cup of coffee degrees to 120 Fahrenheit. Thank you so much. We will see you inshallah in the next video. واضح شباب؟